for a 55+ community here in Bellingham, I have one of the most unique parks around. We are steps from Lake Padden, the golf course, the park, all the playgrounds at Cedar Grove. This is a 55+ community with complete views of the lake, with the bridge across looking over at the clubhouse. And let me tell you, if you're looking for a community, they have some really cool wood shop. They have all the tools that you might need. They have stuff to help you like landscape, and they have really easy access to RV parking, boat parking. If you're looking for a community, if you're looking for a great value in Bellingham, come on, let's take a look at this, guys. So that in the house, the owners have made every inch of this home as functional and versatile as possible, with a ton of extra storage underneath the home, extra planters. Okay, and one of the coolest features out here is all of this terraced and landscape backyard. From the potting shed, if you got a green thumb, to all of the different green space outside for your planting, your herbs, your gardens. You got a cool cedar shed, be able to park your bikes, extra storage, and then just all the room. Again, if you have a green thumb, this might be the perfect place for you here in Bellingham.